Hello viewers. Every day I'm giving calls to my students for learning support purpose. So from this week I'm planning to show the records which I shared to my students by WhatsApp broadcast for educational purpose. And these are the basic free calls shared from this week Monday to Friday. 25th of March Monday I given 4 calls. First one Ajanta Pharma, we booked loss 1000 rupees. Second one Reliance Capital, we booked a 4500 profit. Again I given a Ajanta Pharma sell call, but I found some noise and I told my students to book at cost to cost. Fourth one is TCS, that also we booked negative, it means 1500 loss we booked. So overall 2000 profit we booked on that particular day. 26th of March Tuesday I given a MCX sell call with we booked a profit 4100. ACC call I given second one and we booked 1700 profit. And Axis Bank I given a buy call, also booked a profit 2400. Twenty-seventh March Wednesday I given a Dr. Reddy buy call and we booked profit 2500. Twenty-eighth of March yesterday I given a Bajaj Finance buy call, also booked profit 3150. Today I given a Titan sell call and we booked a profit 3750. Actually I mentioned 6600. It's overall target, target 1, target 2 both. Okay, so all calls are future calls only, not in cash or options, and the P&L also calculated with first target only always. I always like to generate jackpot along with a very tiny risk calls, and also shared only 1 or 2 selected calls to my students daily basis. So overall 19,700 profit for the week shared with my students. Hopefully they are enjoyed. Candletricks price action trading 1-day workshop started 6th round. Going to start 6th round. Enrollment already started. So upcoming schedule details given below this video description, and interested members can contact by WhatsApp and book your seat to start your journey with our Candletricks family. And workshop seats also very limited, so interested people try to book earlier if interested means. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll get back to you with another good video. So thanks again. Like, share and comment if you like this video. Thank you.